this part, we're going to talk about troubleshooting. When you come across a network problem and start troubleshooting, it is strongly advised to document all the steps you follow until you solve the problem. This allows you to react faster if the same problem comes back again. We will now see the main commands that are used to troubleshoot a network. The ping command tests the accessibility of another machine through an IP network. It also measures the time it took to receive the response. This is called the RTT, the round trip. The traceroute command immediately relies on TTL IP packages. Each IP package has a TTL field that splits every time a router passes. You can see that, like the maximum lifespan of an IP package. When this field reaches 0, the router considers that the package rotates in a loop, and therefore it will destroy it. This command allows you to follow the path that an IP package will take to go from one point to another. And the telnet command is a protocol that allows you to connect to a remote server. When used, the default port number that is used is port 23. We saw that it was possible to set up a port with 3 different duplex modes: half, auto, and full, and that you could also set the speed of each of the ports. If one of these parameters is different between 2 pieces of equipment, this could cause quite a few communication problems, whether it's between 2 switches, a switch and a router, or a workstation and a switch. In general, it happens when you configure either speed or duplex mode. For example, if one end is set in full duplex and the other in half duplex, then there will be quite a few problems. And even if, on the one hand, we have the full duplex, and on the other it's configured in auto, it is enough that the auto negotiation fails and makes the port half duplex for there to be incompatibility. This can cause great slowness on the network and many losses of connection. The show interface command, followed by the interface number, allows you to check the duplex and speed settings. If the CDP protocol is enabled and there are duplex problems, then it is possible to see error messages displayed directly on the console. CDP is a network discovery protocol that works at layer 2. It helps find other nearby devices that are directly connected. We saw that on the console, duplex-type error messages could be displayed automatically. Well, that's also the case when an interface falls. That is when it goes from an up state to down. Here's the type of message you can find on your console. And finally, if you want to configure the different duplex modes, you'll just have to use the duplex command directly in the interface.